Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com. Today's Monday, July 21st. Well, I was out of step all day. I had computer problems right from the get-go, and I spent half the day on the phone with tech support. And, as smart as these tech guys are, I think before you become a tech guy working for a brokerage firm, you should be a trader first. And then you might have a better understanding as to the problems that we face. Anyway, I had one eye on the market and one ear on the phone most of the day, so I was a little out of step, so to speak. But I still kept an eye on what was going on. What kind of day did we have? Well, the only index that shows any sign of weakness or pullback is the NASDAQ. And that's basically because Apple's earnings are out, and as good as they read, they said one little word that the street didn't like, and the stock's trading down about $18 or $20 after the close. Now, what a difference a couple of days makes. But for those of you who held on, I'm happy for you. I still took my 6.5–7% out of it, but anyway, I'm just glad that the call turned out to be right. And the real question here is, I believe, is not only the earnings a little shaky with the margins or something, whatever, but I think it's Steve Jobs' health is an issue. And people think he's extremely thin. He had cancer. He was a cancer patient. So you've got all the, he may be fine, but, perception is reality today, and this is one of the reasons why the stock is taking it so badly. But, it looked like it wanted to go down for a long time. So I don't want to pat myself on the back too much because I didn't really take as much out of it as I should have. But anyway, I hope some of my readers did. Okay, I got a new idea for you tomorrow. Then we're going to take a look at the major indexes. I also sold one of my winners today, AVR, and I know some of my readers are going to say, why do you sell these stocks before they get to their targets? And the reason is because when they run up that fast, they have a tendency of coming back down again. Now, if they were to go up slowly, little staircasing, back and fill, up and down, 2 steps forward, 1 step back, I would stay with them. But when they explode like that and they run up 35% in 5 days, as a specialist, I can't help myself. I got to take the money off the table. So that's the reason. Now, if it pulls back to support, I'll probably buy it back. So we bought CSUN. Looks good. We'll take a look at that, and then we'll look at the major indexes and show you where the right shoulder is being formed in the NASDAQ. Okay, so without further ado, my idea for tomorrow is Shuffle Master. The symbol is SHFL. In just a moment, I'm going to show you the chart. I'm going to show you how we'll take this idea and turn it into some money. Now, don't go away. I'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at a daily bar chart of SHFL, Shuffle Master. This is a call on the long side. We'll be looking to buy this stock tomorrow between $4.40. It's about where it closed, and $4.30. I'm expecting a little weakness in the market in the morning, and maybe we can get some stock in $4.30 or maybe even $4.25. My target is $7.80, just about where the sell-off started from. I think it's going to retrace its steps and go right back up. For those of you who want to know where I would suggest a stop loss spot, it would be right here, and the price would be $3.93 on a closing basis. Because I know some of my readers like to use that. That's fine. That's okay. So what do I see here? Well, I see just a simple ascending triangle again. It's not quite as dramatic as some of the others, but it looks very similar to AVR and CSUN. Anyway, we've already stuck our head through the top. We've pulled back, and I think within a day or two we'll be up through it again and on our way to our target. So let me recap that. That's SHFL. It's a call on the long side. and with patience, and also when all is said and done, I think we can make about $3.40 on that trade. CSUN, we bought this morning. I paid $7.70, had to chase it a little bit, but you know, I said that in the video that it had already pulled back, and we may have to pay up to get into it because we were out buying Micron the day that this was pulling back. But anyway, I got in at $7.77. It closed 20 cents higher. It looks good. No surprise we had to pay up a little bit to get into it. Let me remind everybody why we're in it. And we've got this ascending triangle. There it is. Let me give you the top. Right there. I think maybe tomorrow we'll get through, or if not tomorrow, certainly the next day we'll be up through that and on our way. Okay, AVR, quick look at this. You see, when they explode like this, I have to let them go. If they were to go up slowly, you know, back and forth, I would stay with them. Like here, see how fast it goes up? Then they come back down on you. So that's the reason why I sell before they get to my target. Now, if it gets to my target without a pullback, so be it. But if it pulls back to this area here, the support area, I'll probably buy it back. And that's my reason for selling them before they get to the target, because they're moving too fast. Okay, let's get to the major indexes to see how that right shoulder is going to be formed. But first, we're going to look at some of the really strong averages like the Dow Jones. This does not come in at all. Each low is higher than the last day. Each high is higher than the last high. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 higher highs and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 higher lows. And if it does pull back, this is our support area right here. Okay, let's take a look at the transportation averages. They were down 52 points, but you know, they're not pulling back much. And this is our support and major support down here. I don't expect to see them down here, but just in case, we'd like to know that that's a big support area. But this is our first support area right here. Russell 2000 acts great, up another $4. You know, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Higher high, higher higher high, higher high, higher high. Say that fast 10 times. Okay, acts great. And if it were to pull back, this is our support area right here. SPY, same look as the Dow. Higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher low. Just a good looking chart. This is our line of support right here. If it were to pull back, I'm sure it would be contained right into that. QQQs. This is the only group that's going to really be weak, and it's already trading down here where this line is for my support. But it fits into my right shoulder scenario. This is the head. This is the left shoulder, and what's going on here is building the right shoulder. That's my theory. And all the other indexes are, you know, much stronger looking than this, but this is still a bullish pattern. So it'll be interesting to see how this all works tomorrow. Okay, that's my view of the market. Until tomorrow, this is TK signing off. And I hope my computer works better tomorrow.